Starting a fitness journey at home as a beginner is both convenient and effective with simple workouts that require minimal equipment. These exercises focus on building strength, improving flexibility, and boosting cardiovascular health without the need for a gym membership or specialized gear. Begin with a warm-up routine to increase blood flow and prepare your muscles for activity. This can include jogging in place, jumping jacks, and gentle stretches to loosen up. For strength training, bodyweight exercises are ideal. Squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks are excellent choices that target major muscle groups such as legs, chest, back, and core. Start with a manageable number of repetitions, for example 10 to 15 reps, and gradually increase as you become more comfortable. Incorporate cardiovascular exercises to elevate your heart rate and burn calories. Activities like jogging or marching in place, high knees, and burpees can be done in short intervals to improve endurance and stamina. Cool down with stretches to improve flexibility and prevent muscle soreness. Focus on stretching major muscle groups such as hamstrings, quadriceps, shoulders, and chest. Hold each stretch for 15 to 30 seconds and remember to breathe deeply. Consistency is key to progress, so aim to work out to 2-3 times per week. As you become more familiar with these exercises, you can increase the duration and intensity to continue challenging your body and achieving your fitness goals. By keeping workouts simple and enjoyable, you'll build a solid foundation for a healthier lifestyle right from the comfort of your own home.